I bought this backhoe, and it has quite a few issues. So I'm probably gonna end up restoring it. The sun's kind of bright, I can't see a whole lot, but I've just started taking it apart. When I bought this backhoe, I was hoping an injector was stuck open, but it's a 655D 95 model. But I put some injectors in and it didn't solve it. And when I got it apart, the guides and the heads wore out. And this piston right here, I don't know if you're going to be able to see, is different than the other three pistons. So it didn't have any brakes on it. The power steering wasn't working. I got a hose on it and was able to get it up on a trailer and get it home. So yeah, it's going to be a project for sure. Another thing that's wrong with it, I don't really know what's going on, but they managed somehow to break this boom. The guy I bought it from didn't have a clue. He said he bought it that way. So I don't know how they done that, but they actually, the sun's bright, bent that plate right there that's like 1.5 inches down to half. Hopefully you can see that. So I've got to do some work with that, or either I'm going to have to replace this boom. Now I don't know if the 555 is the same from the center of that pin to the center of this pin. I don't have a clue. Some of you guys that own Fords or have worked on Fords that know, please let me know. Another thing, you know, like I said, it didn't have any brakes on it. Well, I get to looking under here. This rear end looks new, or painted or whatever, primed. But I got to looking at this right here. This can't be the right rear end. As you can clearly see, the bolt is in the groove on the right, but on the left it doesn't line up with the groove. So I'm thinking they put a rear end out of something else in here. Very strange. And plus I noticed it has some new bolts and nuts on the back part. So the guy just acts like he don't know anything about it. So I don't know if they put a rear end in this thing and put a backhoe on it. But yeah, it has several things missing, like the rail here that goes around your station where you dig. Let's get around to the other side. But yeah, I got my work cut out, guys. And I thought maybe, you know, you might learn something. I'm probably going to video most of this. Now, this is my first Ford backhoe. I sold my John Deere backhoe. But I also noticed they got all the wires unplugged.